Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a playlist on TikTok for your videos. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to organize your videos based on what it's about. So, just tap on the three lines at the top right corner, settings and privacy, account, and then make sure you tap on switch to business account if you aren't already a business account. It's gonna ask for your email and what type of business it is. Just choose whatever. And once you do that, you're gonna need 10,000 followers to actually make a playlist. I know that sucks, but it's the only way you can make a playlist. If you don't have 10,000 followers, there is no other way. And if you do have 10,000 followers and more, and the playlist feature doesn't show, you're gonna want to tap on the three lines again, settings and privacy, scroll down, report a problem, and just wait for it. So once you're here, scroll down to the very bottom, submit a report, and then just type your feedback. So I wrote a simple report. I can't make playlists even though I have 10,000 followers. So just submit and they will reach out within 24 to 48 hours. And hopefully your problem should be resolved. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.